Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to redeem a 7-day free trial on Crunchyroll. Alright, so let's begin. First, navigate to the Crunchyroll website on your browser. Here, find and click the Try Free Premium option on the top. It offers a fan plan at 280 PKR per month, a mega fan plan at 350 PKR per month, and also a mega fan plan at 3,500 PKR per year. Now choose any of the plans and click Start a 7-day free trial. To do this, you need to create an account. Then enter your email address and set a password for your account. Make sure to accept the privacy policy and click Create Account. You'll be directed to the final step of the trial. After that, enter the required details, including your card number, expiration date CVV, postal code, and country. Once you are done, start the free trial and enjoy. So that's basically how you can redeem a 7-day free trial on Crunchyroll. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.